this is Catherine Marx here, and I founded the Independent Education Consultants more than 10 years ago, bringing together a team of independent expert consultants with the aim of helping families just like you to find the right school or university choices for your son or daughter so they will be happy and achieve their true potential. So we look forward to working with you in the coming weeks and months to help you to find the right solution. Do please get in touch so that we can start to talk to you about your individual requirements for your family. I'd like to talk you through our company values, something which the whole team at the Independent Education Consultants consider very important to us. First of all, we like to be approachable and friendly, so whether you call us on the phone or send us an email, we'll always offer you a listening ear to be able to discuss your queries and your worries when it comes to choosing the right school or university so your son or daughter will be happy and achieve their true potential. Once we've listened to your query, we can then suggest the right experienced and knowledgeable education consultant to guide you every step of the way towards making the right decisions for your child. All of our advice is independent and impartial. We place your child and your family at the centre of our advice, and making the right recommendations for you and your family is the most important part of us delivering quality advice to you. We also keep our fee structure ethical. Because all of our consultants work virtually, mainly via video call, we're able to offer you the most cost-effective education consultancy fees that we can to enable quality advice to be accessible to all. We also aim to be trustworthy and build many strong working relationships with families, often over several years, and helping them with more than one child. If you'd like to know more, please visit the website via the link below, or you can email us at consultants@independenteducationconsultants.co.uk. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.